Did you know one team started with 32 different quarterbacks, while their rival won 6 Super Bowls with just 2? From 1999 to 2021, the Cleveland Browns became the biggest quarterback disaster in NFL history. While New England rode Tom Brady and Drew Bledsoe to championship glory, Cleveland burned through signal callers like tissue paper. Tim Couch, their franchise savior, lasted 5 seasons and won 22 games. Brady Quinn was supposed to be the hometown hero, but threw more interceptions than touchdowns. Johnny Manziel partied his way out of the league after 2 seasons. Deshaun Kaiser started 15 games and lost 14 of them. Some Browns quarterbacks literally lasted 1 game. 1 single game. The math is insane. Cleveland used 4 first-round picks on quarterbacks during this stretch. 4. Meanwhile, the Patriots found their guy in the 6th round and never looked back. The Browns changed coaches 17 times, creating total chaos. 6 Super Bowl rings versus 1 playoff win. 32 quarterbacks versus 2. This wasn't just bad luck, this was an organizational meltdown.